Hey guys, welcome to our Shopify's SEO Optimizer guide. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to enhance your store search engine visibility and boost sales. Now, without further ado, here's step 1. What is SEO? So let's start with the basics. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing your Shopify store to improve its visibility on search engines like Google. When users search for products or services related to what you offer, you want your store to appear at the top of the search results. This is crucial because higher visibility means more potential customers finding your store. SEO involves various techniques that help search engines understand your content, such as using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and optimizing technical aspects of your website. By doing so, you increase your chances of ranking higher on search engine result pages and attracting organic traffic. Now, step 2 is checking our products. So before we dive into optimization, take a moment to review how your products are organized with your Shopify store. Ensure that your products are well categorized and each category makes sense for your target audience. When products are neatly organized, it becomes easier for both visitors and search engines to navigate your store. So over here we have our product organization. You can see that what I'm selling is pure kombucha mocktails. And then we have our category here, food, beverages, and then we can select beverages to be more specific. Now the product type is gonna be a mocktail, vendor is gonna be my store, collections, and then there's gonna be tags. So let's consider creating clear categories and subcategories that align with the different types of products you offer. This organization not only helps users find what they're looking for, but also sends a positive signal to search engines, which way improve your site's overall ranking. Now, step 3 is checking the right title and description. Your product titles and descriptions play a crucial role in conveying what your products are all about. Make sure they accurately represent the features, benefits, and uses of your products. Moreover, incorporate relevant keywords that potential customers might use when searching for products similar to yours. Effective titles and descriptions serve two main purposes. First, they provide visitors with a quick understanding of your product, helping them make informed decisions. Second, search engines use these elements to determine how well your products match a user's search query. Striking a balance between clarity and keyword optimization is essential. So let's proceed to step 4. Use the generate text on the description. Shopify's generate text feature can be a game changer when it comes to crafting unique and engaging product descriptions. This tool uses AI to suggest creative descriptions based on the information you provide. So over here, we have our title, just like I said on step 3. So we have our right title, and then now we have our description. Now what we can do is we can generate a text using description, this AI tool. So we have our features and keywords here. We can put on our keywords here: fresh, organic, healthy. Then the tone of voice, expert, special instructions. If you have some, you can put them here. So as of me, I don't not need any special instructions. We can just hit generate text. There we go, it's adjusting. Then we can click keep. Now at the click of a button, we already have a description of our product. So let's proceed to step 5. Make sure we are using the right media. So high quality images and videos are not just visually appealing, they are integral to showcasing your products effectively. When customers can clearly see what you're offering, they're more likely to make a purchase. So as for me, you guys can see that I am selling practically a mocktail, which has a flavor on it, pineapple and um, orange. So we have here the pineapple, we have the orange, and then we have the mocktail itself in the middle. So it clearly shows what the buyers are going to buy or what the buyers will see when they purchase the product. Now we have step 6. So checking the search engine listing. So regularly monitoring how your store appears in search engine results is essential for maintaining an impactful online presence. Check for accurate product information, meta descriptions, and other details that impact your store's visibility. Your store's appearance in search results is your first chance to make a positive impression on potential customers. Ensure that your product titles, descriptions, and other metadata are concise, accurate, and enticing. So, an example of this is on how to check your search engine listing. As for me, let's go to mocktails. And then the first thing that comes up would be mocktail recipes. So as for me, if I was an owner of this website, I would check if the title, the description, and the following keywords are right, and that's what I want to see as a potential customer. So let's proceed to step 7, adding meta fields. So here we go, meta fields. Meta fields are additional pieces of information that go beyond standard product details. These can include attributes that provide extra content or specifications about your products. So using meta fields allows you to provide more information to customers and search engines. So like this. So this is what is an example of a metadata or meta field rather. Now for step 8, we're gonna go to settings and edit the store name. So heading to the settings section of your Shopify dashboard and editing your store's name might seem simple, but it's crucial for both branding and SEO. A clear and relevant store name helps visitors and search engine understand what your store specializes in. Instead of using generic terms, considering incorporating keywords that reflect your niche. This not only aids in search engine visibility but also contributes to a stronger brand identity. So as for me, I have here the store, its name is my store, so we can change it to kombucha selling. Kombucha selling. There we go, and then we can put our phone there, and then we can hit save. Now we can go to step 9, linking our accounts on the apps and sales channel. Linking your accounts across different platforms and sales channels is about maintaining a consistent brand image and building trust with customers. When customers encounter your brand in various platforms and see consistent messaging, it reinforces your credibility. Search engines also appreciate this consistency, potentially boosting your store's authority in their algorithms. So whether it's social media, third-party marketplaces, or other sales channel, ensure that your branding is uniform. So we can put our apps here, for example, Facebook, YouTube, Google, Twitter, Instagram, and then we can put our pages here. And if people or clients would inquire, we should set up or we could reply as fast as we can, so that it will help us engage in the sales or in more boosting for our SEO. So step 10 rather is adding Google and YouTube to improve sales more. So expanding your reach to platforms like Google and YouTube can bring in additional traffic and potential customers. Google Ads and YouTube videos are valuable tools to consider. So another thing you can add here is Google and YouTube in the apps and sales channel. Then we can proceed to step 11, adding your first blog post via sales channel and online store. Content creation through blogging is an essential aspect of building a strong online presence. Starting a blog on your store provides value to your audience and contribute to SEO efforts. Blogging enables you to share valuable information related to your products, industry trends, and customer needs. By offering insightful content, you can attract organic traffic from users searching for answers to their questions. This establishes your store as a reliable source of information and improves your store's overall credibility. Now for the last step, over here at the Shopify store, we can find our SEO boosters with a free plan available only. So to create an immediate interest and drive sales, considering introducing a limited SEO booster or discount. This exclusive offer can entice customers to explore your products and make a purchase. Special deals and discounts are effective in creating a sense of urgency. They encourage visitors to take action sooner rather than later, which can lead to increased sales. Be sure to promote these offers prominently on your store and use compelling language to communicate their value. And there you have it, our complete Shopify Optimizer guide. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to enhance your store's visibility, increase traffic, and boost sales. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Until next time, happy optimizing.